Hello, welcome to Geeta's Maths class. Today let us have the class on rational numbers. What are rational numbers? A number that can be expressed in the form of P by Q is called a rational number. Okay? A number that can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers, and also Q is not equal to 0, is a rational number, is a rational number. Let me give you some examples of rational numbers. 5 by 7. 5 is an integer, 7 is an integer. So 5 by 7 is a rational number. 9. When I give only 9, the meaning of 9 is 9 by 0. Okay? 2 by 11. Both are integers. Minus 5 by 13. Minus 5 is an integer. 13 is also an integer. All these are rational numbers. Rational numbers can be expressed by either terminating or non-terminating decimals. Rational numbers are either terminating decimals or recurring decimals. Recurring decimals are said to be repeating decimals also. When you convert these rational numbers which are in the fractional form into decimals, either you get terminating decimals or you get recurring decimals. So, rational numbers are, examples of terminating decimals are 4.5, 3.76, 0.119, all this. Recurring decimals are 1.3 recurring, 4.54 recurring. That means 1.3 recurring means 1.3333 you are going to get. 4.54 recurring is 4.545454. Okay. And numbers which are not rational, they are irrational numbers. Then what are irrational numbers? You might be thinking decimals or terminating decimals are rational numbers. Recurring decimals are rational numbers. Then what are irrational numbers? Irrational numbers are neither terminating nor recurring. They are irrational numbers are neither terminating nor recurring. Some examples of irrational numbers are root 2, root 3, root 5 and so on. Okay. When you find the square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 5, that means square root of non-perfect squares. When you find the square root, you won't get 0 as remainder and you won't get the recurring decimal. It will see the value of root 2 is 1.414 we take. But if you go on taking many more places, you will be getting different decimal digits. So, irrational numbers are non-terminating and non-recurring decimals. I believe you understood what are rational, what are irrational. Then what are equivalent rational numbers? Equivalent means equal value. Equivalent rational numbers means two rational numbers are equivalent if they are of equal value. like equivalent fractions only. Equivalent rational numbers. If A by B is a rational number, if you want to have the equivalent rational number, multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number, or divide both the numerator and denominator by the same number, you will get the equivalent rational number. Let me give you an example. 2 by 5. If you want to have equivalent rational number, multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. 4 by 10. If you multiply both numerator and denominator by 3, you will get 6 by 15. That means 2 by 5 is equal to 4 by 10 is equal to 6 by 15. So these are equivalent rational numbers. Okay. Then suppose it will be given 3 by 7, 3 by 7 and 9 by 21. Whether these are equivalent or not, if you find whether 3 by 7 and 9 by 21 are equivalent or not. If you want to find, what you have to do is, different ways you can do. You can see 3 into 3, 9, 7 into 3, 21. Other one is by cross product you can find. What is cross product? 3 by 7 is here, 9 by 21. Bring this 21 this side, take this 7 this side. 3 into 21, 9 into 7. 3 21 is 63, 9 7 is 63. That means 3 by 7 and 9 by 21 are equivalent. Okay? By cross product or by cross multiplication we can say that these two are equivalent fractions. Now, what is the standard form of a rational number? I already explained you what is a rational number. What is the standard form of a rational number? Let me explain you. Okay? Standard form of a rational number. I told you a rational number is in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are our integers. I told you. So let me give you one example. 16 by 20. 16 is a rational number. 20 is also a rational number. But the standard form means it should be in the simplest form or lowest form. So if it is 16 by 20, both are divisible by 4 numerator and denominator. 4 by 5 is the standard form but not 16 by 20. Are you clear? So a rational number is said to be in its standard form if it is in simplest form. That means no common factor will be there between numerator and denominator. And also I told you one more. Suppose it is 4 by minus 5. 4 is an integer, minus 5 is also an integer. Yes or no? But denominator should not be minus 5, negative. If 4 by minus 5 is also equal to minus 4 by 5, it is a standard form but not this. Okay? The standard form of a rational number doesn't have a negative integer as the denominator. Okay? So, a rational number is said to be in its standard form if it is in its simplest form and also the denominator is not negative. I believe you understood What are rational numbers? There are two types, terminating and recurring. And what are irrational numbers, you understood? Please try to make the concept clear. And what is the standard form of a rational number? I believe you understood. Standard form means 4 by 5 is standard form because we cannot simplify. It is in simplest form. Simplest form. Standard form of a rational number will be in simplest, lowest terms, and also denominator is not negative. It should be always positive. I hope you like the class. Please like the video, and if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe. Thank you.